Hey Forest Hills readers, this is Mr. Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to download the app Overdrive from the App Store. I'm also going to show you how to connect to the Forest Hills Public Schools Overdrive collection as well as your public library Overdrive collection. So here we go. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit the App Store on your device. I'm using an iOS device. I'm going to search for Overdrive. I'm on my iPad. I could do this on my iPhone as well. Search for Overdrive and you'll see in the upper right hand corner of the page here it says Overdrive eBooks and Audiobooks. I'm going to download that app. Once I have the app on my device, I click it to open it and I'll be taken to a sign up page. I don't actually want to sign up for an Overdrive account. If you look at the bottom here, it says under 13 years old or using Overdrive through your school. I'm going to click on that. Okay, now I'm on a page where I can add a library. Just click the plus sign and you can find a library by name, city, or postal code, right? If I type in Forest Hills School District, right in the center of the page there I see Forest Hills School District. I click on that. I click on Forest Hills School District once again, and it adds the library to my app. Now, just like if I were on a computer, I would use my username and my network password to log in. And now I can browse the Forest Hills Public Schools Overdrive collection on my iPad, or if I am using my iPhone, on my iPhone as well. Look at that, I can listen to The Hobbit. All right, if I go to the upper left hand part of the page, I see those three lines. Some people call it the stacked hamburgers or the stack of pancakes. I click on that. I can add another library. Well, if you want to add the Kent District Library as well, if you're a patron of the Kent District Library, type in Kent District Library, click search, and you'll see all of the different branches. If you happen to live, close to the Cascade branch, maybe you want to add that. They're all the same. Doesn't really matter which one. Maybe for statistics, for them, it matters. And now I can look through their collection. And then I personally live within Grand Rapids. So that's what I'm going to search for. I'm going to add the Grand Rapids Public Library. And so now I've got 3 libraries that I can look through. Pretty cool. Hope this helps, and I hope you have a great day.